Hey everyone, welcome to the official SoulGen AI channel. You might already know SoulGen as a top-notch AI girl generator. But did you know its edit features are equally impressive? They include the functions of remove objects, edit images, and extend images. Ever wondered how to quickly and easily edit images to perfection? Stick around, and we'll show you how. First up is the Remove Objects feature. Need to quickly remove an object from your image? With SoulGen, it's a breeze. Simply select the object you want to remove. Just one click. You can remove anything you want, whether it's a minor distraction or something more. Our tool handles it all with impressive speed and quality. Next, we have the Edit Image function. Upload the image you want to edit and select the area you want to edit. Enter your prompts and let SoulGen work its magic. Transform your images effortlessly, whether you're going for a subtle tweak or a dramatic change. Finally, the Extend Images feature. Expand your images to any size you desire or merge them with other photos. You can even remove backgrounds to achieve a seamless extension. This is perfect for adding depth and richness to your creations. Plus, you can choose the number of images you want to generate. And there you have it. With SoulGen's advanced editing features, you have everything you need to transform your images effortlessly. Our powerful tools allow you to remove unwanted objects, edit and enhance images, and extend your creative boundaries with ease. Imagine the possibilities when you can perfect every detail and bring your vision to life. Ready to take your image editing to the next level? Try out SoulGen today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more tips and updates. Happy creating!